Hi guys, this is Mrs. Capelli, and I'm going to be teaching you lesson 2 of how to diagram sentences. So as you can see, I have the 4 sentences set up here, and the learning target is I can identify um, subjects and predicates in 4 kinds of sentences. So here we go. First sentence, as you can see, is a declarative sentence. And when we read it, pear trees grow everywhere, we're asking ourselves, what is the subject of this sentence? And most of us will probably say pear trees, but we wouldn't, that's correct, but we're looking for the simple subject. So we're only looking for trees. Pear is really an adjective of what type of trees. So we write trees down, it's a simple subject. We draw our baseline, we draw our bisecting line, and then we ask ourselves, what are the trees doing? They grow. So we then write down grow right after the bisecting line, and there it is. The second type of sentence, as you can see, is a question or interrogative sentence. So in this type, you really have to look in between the helping verb and the main verb because the subject is typically sandwiched in between the two. So when you read it, do the trees grow high? One way to figure it out is to turn it into a declarative sentence. So in order to do that, you write the trees do grow high. And that's how you can make it more evident of what the subject is. So trees, again, is the simple subject. It's the noun, common noun. Draw our baseline, our bisecting line. Again, we ask ourselves, what are the trees doing? They don't just grow, they do grow. Don't forget that helping verb, and it has to start with a capital D, just like it did here in the sentence. And that completes the question sentence. This is all explained in the slides too. So if you're unclear, look at the slide video. The third one is, as you can tell, an exclamatory sentence. So we read it, how tall these trees are. And typically in an exclamatory sentence, the subject and the verb are going to be at the last part. So as you can see here, trees are tall. These trees are tall. So again, what is the sentence about? It's about the trees. Baseline, bisecting line, what are they doing? Well, it's a linking verb, so they are. They are what? Tall. Tall would be a different example. So simple subject, simple predicate. Last one is an imperative sentence. And typically, they're not going to have a name here. They're not going to say, Mrs. Capelli washed these pears. It's just going to be left for you to understand that you is implied. So because it's not written in there, you have to draw the parentheses. So here you go. You are being asked to wash these pears or requested. And that's a capital W, so this has to be a capital W. You is who's being requested to do this, and what are they requested to do? Wash. And that completes the 4 different types. I hope this helps. Reach out if you need any, if you have any questions. This is Mrs. Capelli signing off.